This is Dr. Vaishali, and I'm reading from the book Structure, book written by Dr. Rajan Shankaran. Understanding of the Road to fourth part 4. Keyword suggesting sudden, unexpected danger and violence. For Road 2, the words are tunnels, claustrophobia, panic attack, stuck, helplessness, suffocation, go blank, sudden danger, violence, unexpected, instinctive or reflex. Fears in row 2. In row 2, a fear is to come out of the cell or to be stuck in the cell. On the left side, the feeling is the cell or the covering will disappear and I will be left with no covering. And on the right side, the feeling is I will be stuck in the shell or covering and will not be able to come out. Sphere of action. The area commonly affected in row 2 are those which are exposed to outside influence like lungs, skin, mucous membrane, etc. Now, expression of individual element of the row 2. For lithium, the properties are it is the lightest of all solid. The element when exposed to air oxidizes quickly into the black lithium oxide. It tarnishes instantaneously and corrodes rapidly upon exposure to air, which is reflected in the primary picture as the sensitivity to being exposed to the outside and need to be inside the protective covering or the womb. Feeling that you cannot exist outside the womb and exposure you are you are in exposure you are finished. It does not occur in the free state in nature but only in a compound. The metal is used as a deoxidizer and remove unwanted gases during the manufacture of the non-ferrous casting. Lithium vapor is used to prevent carbon dioxide and oxygen from the forming scale in the furnace in heat treating steel. Important compound of the lithium include the hydroxide that is used for the bonding carbon dioxide in the ventilator system of spacecraft and submarines. The hydride used to inflate lifeboat and the hydride have heavy hydrogen. Hydride means heavy hydrogen equivalent used in making the hydrogen bomb. Lithium carbonate is used in the treatment of bipolar disorder and some form of depression. Other important applications of lithium compound are in pottery, especially in porcelain glass, as an additive to extend the life and performance of alkaline storage, batteries, and autogenous welding and brass welding. Now, understanding of the lithium. Lithium is at the meeting point of row 2 and the column 1 where they feel they have absolute no capacity to exist separately. They have tremendous fear of separation from mother figure, which could also be the father or teacher or friend. There is a complete dependence on that figure and one cannot imagine getting separated from that figure. The dependency may be expressed as a need for basic necessity like food, clothing, shelter, etc. However, the real issue lies such more and much deeper. Can I exist separately? This is the issue. I am totally one with something or someone else. I absolutely have no capacity, can't even think of separation. I am happy to be connected. Lithium signifies a very primitive stage of development. The issue of what they are getting from the other person is secondary. But mere thought of living a separate existence is unthinkable. Any thought of losing such support creates panic in them. So it considered as a acute miasm. They are very childish and naive and have difficult growing up from the shelter of their parents. Here the person is so much part of the mother that it is not possible to exist except in the womb. The slightest exposure to outside signify instant death or the destruction of the structure. Therefore, even the imagination of such a situation can produce extreme panic and acute violent reaction, which reflect the quality of lithium itself, which tarnishes the instantaneously and corrodes rapidly or exposure to air. This is the property of lithium, right? There is an extreme feeling of helplessness and vulnerability. From Jan Sultan, she shared difficult growing up, couldn't detach herself from her parent, and would have liked to stay in the protective environment. Now, expert of the case of lithium carbonicum, case of the 51-year-old man with the chief complaint of the episode of depression, first seen in the 22 February 2005. The depression started in the 1985. Since this time, he started his professional career. He also has mood swings. He described it as, I go into the shell, want to shut myself out from the world. The last time he had suicidal thoughts. During a depressive episode, he has difficult making decision or responding to daily professional life. If somebody came to him with a problem, he couldn't make a decision. He has to force himself to go to the office. He described, I go blank like a statue. Anxiety takes over. His anxiety derives from the money matter, fear of business and losses in the professional life. He is extremely thirsty and cost conscious. Thrifty, not thirsty, sorry. Thrifty and cost conscious means he is average. This he attributes to his upbringing, where he was considered a good boy if he would spend less. So this is the genetic inheritance. He has the need to amass wealth for himself in the form of cash, bank deposit, or the asset. He also has anxiety when he spends relatively large amount of money. He got depressed just at the time of starting a new plant, and also when he faced a competition from a big business group. At that time, there was a fear of losing money. He described it as, I go into my cell, want to lie in a bed, almost go into the mother's womb. He do the hand gesture like cramped up posture, like lying in bed and with knees taken up to chin. I go into the shell, don't want to meet people and don't want to talk to them. We asked about the mother's womb. He described it as, you are in the comfort of a mother, pampering of the mother. You want that pampering, and parents would do whatever you ask for, would agree to whatever you say, and would give you whatever you want. He has comfort with his parents, but more difficulty with his wife. The opposite of the comfortable feeling is uneasiness, impatience, and intolerance. About childhood, he was a nervous child and there was lot of discomfort while going from home to boarding school. Although they were in the same town, mild, he would not hit others and never become part of the group. He feared his father's temper and going out alone in the dark. In the dark, he felt as somebody would come and hit me. He also had a fear of unknown and somebody stalking behind him. He had a dream of accident in the factory and losing the money. He say losing money is like losing power. With money you have power. You can control people and bosses around with them. Bully them, especially those who are your subordinate. Control is like making them do what you want. Handle your nature more than others. Subordinate will be more tolerant, less demanding. They are dependent on you. Demanding means arrogance, impatience, intolerant, and pushing people. After a period of depression, there are period of high, where he is hyperactive and take good decision. This power and control comes from the insecurity and lack of confidence. You are not good enough to take decision, not handsome enough, not acceptable to people. He has a feeling of rejection, low, not accepted and not good enough for normal social life. When he is feeling miserable, he sometimes wants to jump from the height. He described himself as a perfectionist and fastidious, needing in order. Father did a lot for me in business. He passed away 1.5 year back, and he went through a difficult period with his wife. He said, now she has accepted me. I am indebted to her for handling me, to have stuck around with me for 25 years. If not, I would have no accept the rejection. Some of the scary situation he described were his father shouting at his brother, disapproval from his father, and insecurity about money. He feared that his father might be alone in business and social life. They had the comfort of the joint family, but there was a drastic change. Father had fight with his uh, brother, means patient's uncle, and matlab father was the head of the household. So, and sensitive to sudden noise. This is also symptom, and chilly but worse for son. Now the case analysis. The main sensation is to go into shell and shut himself from the world, described by his body gesture as if to go into the mother's womb. Here the main feeling is that he is not adequate. When he had to go to the boarding school, he was uncomfortable and nervous, felt like he was leaving the comfort of home and the mother. Though he spoke of the opposite side where he wanted power and control, this was more arising out of desire to have his subordinate depend on him so that they would be more tolerant of his demanding and childish behavior. The patient talks about issue of money, fear of losing money, losing power and losing control. But these are all at the delusion level. Otherwise, one might think of row 4 or row 6, but when you ask a description of the experience of losing these, he experiences of losing the comfort of being inside the mother's womb, existing as a part of the somebody, which is the fetal stage. Also, I have understood that fear of darkness is common theme of many carbon. For example, darkness aggravate like carbo carbo animalis, carbo vegetabilis, graphites, strontium carb. Now remedy given was lithium carb 200C, single dose, and then subsequently the potency was raised to 1 m. Follow up in September 2005, depth and intensity is much reduced, better by 20%. The desire to be in the cocoon is much less. And follow up in June 2006. Last 3 months, no depression. I'm generally much better and overchange, but mood is stable. Follow up after 2 years, the patient is still under my treatment. He reports significant improvement in the frequency and the intensity of both manic and depressive episode. He is able to function better and has started exercising. He is able to attend his work and go for a walk. He has become more social, productive, and focused, and lead a more active and more healthier life. All this end of this case.